All right, here we go. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Hey, Adrian. Shannon says hello. He's watching on YouTube. Adrian says hello to Shannon, Acadian FPV. We started with 4 in this one. We lost 1 at the line. That was Quick Lax. Now we got Engstrom stuck in a gate. And so your leader is Blue Vista. Then you got Quad Addiction FPV running second. Diesel running third. Here comes your leader, about to cross onto lap 2. Split S around our Collegiate Drone Racing Championship start finish gate of 46.2. Short Bus is cheering on Blue Vista, watching on YouTube here this morning. Just past the midway point, 50 seconds, 5-0 remaining on the master race clock. Quad Addiction working on lap number 2. Blue Vista working on lap number 2, I believe. Here comes Blue Vista, split S-ing on to lap number 3, 30 seconds still to go. That was a 43.9. So it looks like he's going to get 3 in and maybe move up a peg into about the number 7 spot. Again, starting in 8th on this one. Quad Addiction, FPV still doing his thing. Looks to move up about 3 pegs. I think he's going to be about 17th. Almost on the bubble for the top 16 here in qualifying round number 2. That's on the pace that he's on as we get ready to wave a checkered flag. Diesel getting on to lap number 2. He was able to get back up. Thank you, Turtle Mode. Thank you, Bryce J. Boom, Quad Addiction, 2 laps in 2 minutes 5. Going full send through our start finish gate. There goes your winner of this one. 3 laps in 2 minutes 12 for Blue Vista. Your last one, your fast one with a 42.4. 1 to finish. This Diesel, a yaw spin into some sort of object. Not sure what it was around those guide wires. Working our way up our tower. Say hello to the Shredder watching on Facebook on the livefpv.com Facebook page. Hello, John. We're not going to quit. We're not going to weaken. We're going to line it up. There we literally lined it up right with the gate. And that static takes us to black once that FPV feed goes.